Jai Shri Ram. Today we're going to see Sloka number 34 from the fourth Sarga of the Bāla Kāṇḍa. Hlādayat Sarvagātrāṇi Manāṃsi Hṛdayāni cha Śrotrāśraya Sukham geyaṃ tad Babhau janasaṃsadi. This sloka means Sri Rama Chandra continued to say, this epic, delightfully pleasing to the ears, shone forth the minds and hearts of everyone in the public assembly. The word by word meaning goes like this: Tat, that, Geyam, song or epic, in this case Srimad Ramayana, Hlādayat is delighting or enthralling, Sukham, pleasing or giving enjoyment, Āśraya to all, Śrotra, ears, Babhau, shone forth, Manāṃsi, the minds, Cha, and Hṛdayāni, the hearts, Sarvagātrāṇi, of all courtiers, janasaṃsadi, in the public assembly. The sloka again, Hlādayat Sarvagātrāṇi Manāṃsi Hṛdayāni cha Śrotrāśraya Sukham geyaṃ tad Babhau janasaṃsadi. Jai Shri Ram. The word by word meaning goes like this: Taucha, both of them, Agayatam, sang, Maduram, sweet or melodiously, Api, and also, Vyaktam, very clearly, Swanchita Ayata Niswanam, effectually with clarified voices, Tantri Layavad, rhythmic like string instruments, Atyartham, exceedingly, Vishruta Artham, clearly meaningful or well understood. The sloka again, Tau chapi maduram vyaktam swanchitayata niswanam tantri layavad adyartham vishrutartham agayatam.